Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today I'm going to show you how to sign your first SMMA client without having any case studies. I know that this can feel like a huge challenge, especially if you're just starting out. I've been there myself, so I completely understand. The good news is there are simple methods that you can use to gain trust and land that first client. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it step by step. But before we dive into the details, let me give you a special offer. You see, normally, if you go through GoHighLevel's website, you're going to receive a 14-day free trial. However, with my link, you're going to receive a 30-day free trial. And on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course, GoHighLevel Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. GoHighLevel offers many features and it's easy to get lost. So in my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using GoHighLevel in those initial 30 days. Additionally, you're going to receive my top-notch, high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. Now, those are worth over $900, but you're going to get all of that for free as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description. Simply click the first link to find all of the details about these offers and how to claim them. It's my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. Now let's dive in. So when you're trying to sign your first social media marketing agency client, there are two main routes that you can take. The first is to provide free value to the client up front. The second is to offer them a free service for their business. Both approaches work well, and if you can combine them, that's even better. For this tutorial, I'll focus on how to deliver free value in a way that sets you apart from the competition and makes clients want to work with you. One of the tools that can make this process much easier is GoHighLevel. If you're not familiar with it, GoHighLevel is an all-in-one marketing platform that helps you manage and grow your agency. It's what I use in my own business, and it's been a game changer. So you can follow along using the 30-day free trial link in the description. And once you log into GoHighLevel, you'll see the agency dashboard, which has everything that you need to get started. For this strategy, we'll focus on the prospecting section. The first step is to find local businesses that might need your services. Let's say that you want to work with dentists. So start by searching for Dentist Los Angeles on Google. You'll see a list of businesses in that area. Pick one that looks like a good fit and copy their business name. Then go back to GoHighLevel and add them as a prospect. You can enter their name and location into the prospecting section, and GoHighLevel will automatically pull up additional details about the business. Now, once you've added the business as a prospect, it's time to generate a marketing audit report. Now, this is a detailed report that shows the business owner how their online presence is performing and where there's room for improvement. It only takes a few clicks to generate the report, and it's incredibly valuable. When you present this to your potential client, they're going to see that you've taken the time to understand their business and identify specific areas where they can improve. Now that you have the audit report, you can use it as the basis for your outreach. Now, write an email or message that highlights key findings from the report. For example, you might say something like, "Hi, I've been looking at your business and noticed a few areas where you could improve your online presence. For instance, your website's performance score is quite low, which might be affecting your ability to attract new customers. I've prepared a detailed report with recommendations, and I would love to discuss how I can help you implement these changes." Be sure to include a link to the report so that they can see it for themselves. The marketing audit report will highlight areas where the business can improve. For example, it might show that their website is slow or that they don't have a chat widget. You can offer to fix these issues as part of your services. For instance, you might propose building a faster SEO optimized website for a one-time fee of $2,000 or $3,000. Or you could suggest adding an AI-powered chat widget for an additional $500 to $800. The key is to position your services as the solution to the problem identified in the report. Now, when you share the report, you have two options. You can send it as a PDF or share it via a link. I recommend sharing it via a link as it's easier for the client to access and view. GoHighLevel allows you to create a shareable link for the report, which you can include in your email or message. This makes the process seamless for both you and your client. What makes this approach so effective is that most agencies don't take time to provide this level of value up front. By presenting a detailed marketing audit, you're showing the client that you're serious about helping their business succeed. Now, this not only builds trust, but it also sets you apart from other competitors who might just send generic cold emails or messages. Now, once the client reviews the report, they're likely likely to be interested in learning more. Use GoHighLevel's calendar feature to schedule a call with you. You can embed your calendar on your website, making it easier for your clients to book a time that works for them. During the call, you can discuss the findings in the report and explain how your services can help them achieve their goals. Signing your first client is just the beginning. As you start to deliver results, you can use those successes to build momentum and attract more clients. For example, you can create case studies based on the work that you've done and share them with other prospects. Over time, your agency will gain credibility and grow organically. So that's it. By following this strategy, you can sign your first SMMA client without any case studies. Use GoHighLevel to generate detailed marketing audit reports, provide valuable insights, and position your services as the solution for their problems. If you are not already using GoHighLevel, be sure to check out the 30-day free trial link in the description below. Instead of the usual 14 days, my link is going to give you a full 30 days to try it out for free. As a bonus, you're going to get access to my GoHighLevel Jumpstart course to help you set up your business during those 30 days. GoHighLevel's features can be overwhelming, but my course focuses on what truly matters to help you start making money right away. Plus, you're going to receive over $900 worth of high-quality Notion templates for free, including the Business Hub and Finance Hub. Just click the link in the description to learn more and to claim your bonuses. It's my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. So thanks again, and I will see you in the next video.